Hello guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to edit or that's HTML program, that's hypertext programming language. Well, today I'm going to be using Notepad++. So if you have it, you just go to Google Chrome and simply down. You can click the link below right here to download Notepad++. But if you don't see the links or about it, I couldn't get it. So we're going to go to the application we're going to use, which is Notepad++. Yeah, this application right here, this one, sure, yeah. Here we have it. Okay. Basically, I don't want to confuse you, so we're gonna restart this, right? We're gonna restart this again. So I'm gonna cancel this, and yeah, now. Then we're gonna click new to, okay. Then we want to write a website. Mostly we use other programming softwares. You already see a background for where you could type HTML and you might not understand what it means. Well, first what we're going to do, we're going to simply type doctype. But this is how I do it. Just put shift right there. Just put this, I'm gonna write it for you first. Doctype. There we have it. And enter doctype means the document type where you're going to type all the codes that you're going to write. It's like the heading of, just say like the heading of your code, but you should know one thing, that when you're typing this, it's not going to be showing on your website. It's not going to be showing on your website. Anything you put in brackets are not going to be showing your website, but depending how you use the brackets, it's going to show. So let's keep on going. Then we're going to write this HTML then HTML. This is it. And you guys might be wondering, in other softwares, if you see the programming, you notice that they're heading like this here. You notice this too, they're no color change. That's because the format that you didn't saved. You're gonna have to change the format. You know that. You're gonna say click save here. We're gonna change the format. So make sure you're using Notepad++ so they can let everything other software. We're gonna go here. We have C++, C#, we have here we go. This is the HTML hypertext programming language. We're not using JavaScript. I'm gonna be teaching HTML, so we're gonna be using hypertext language right here. Hypertext makeup language, that's HTML. So click this and click now on YouTube and click save. And we'll click save, and you can notice there's a change in the code and how they outline it alright. And you guys are looking at it and kind of surprised how it's done and stuff like that. It ain't had, right? So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna click like the title. You know, every website needs this title. This is the main background for your website. You need this before you can start coding. You can't just start coding without this. You know, every coding has a value. Just like you need, it's like how will I put it? You need a biro to write, and these are the basics. These are the basics before the code can display. If you just click like cancel this, if I just cancel this, this is no coding, man. You ain't gonna run. Your website's not gonna work. You understand what I mean? Your website's not gonna work, and it's not gonna show anything. And if you click on run, you can simply click run. If you have got Chrome, if you have either of these browsers, it's gonna work on your system. So basically, what I'm gonna use Microsoft Edge and try to run something, and it's not gonna show on your system. It's not really gonna work. All right, you're gonna just click save right here, and click. So I'm just gonna go to and come here and use Microsoft Edge to run the. No, one thing about this, right? That's gonna run. No problem with it, right? It's not gonna be official because it's from your computer that it's working, right? I'm just simply gonna shift it like this right there and keep it there and keep this stuff. And if you notice something strange around here, it's wasting time to load because your system's kind of confused with the website you want to use. It's kind of confused and it doesn't grab what you mean. You can see it's just empty. It doesn't show editing, it just shows the location which you was derived from, and you can understand because we saved it in HTML format. Because it is saved in HTML format, it looks as if it's a website, but directly this is not official. It's like a corrupt warning ways to save it. It's not cool. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna write clearly and click HTML page. HTML. Yeah, you understand. So this is gonna make it. You can see the connection. This is more better. It's better you keep it the right way. And also when coding this, then we have two types of tags. We have single tag and double tags. And this particular tag right here is this tag is like the document type, and the coding type. That's what it means. And this HTML is like the how will I put it, the code authorizer, like the authority. You're giving the authority right here to type. And simply in the website, you're gonna have heading. You're gonna be cool. You just see the website. You want to see the name of a website, and it's gonna be cool. Someone's browsing and he wanna go somewhere. You may be having your website, and the person will click on website because they don't understand the name. But you're gonna simply, you're just gonna say click on the title, and it's not a hashtag. It's just simple, and click this again, and this side, this is a double tag. This is how you write double tags, and this title, and this is it. And you click like this, and friend, be sure you always copy codes like this, and you can write with words. You can just come in and let's say if my sorry about that, my first website, right? Is a website, right? Website, that's it, and this is your first website. And you can say okay, just click save. And most of the times you have to go to run, and it's kind of biggy, but the easier way is just retry this. Just click retry, because once you've saved it, it's yours, the same thing. So you can see the name, website change to my website, and you can surprise the what words understand in these words, and there's basics. You can simply do any other stuff if you want. I can also teach you other stuff, so be sure to subscribe to my channel and watch the next lesson. Thanks for watching lesson 1. I hope you understood the beginning about how to code in HTML. I'm sure you understand this briefing on it. So next lesson we're going to go to the real deal, and we're going to go deeper into coding. You understand me? I'm sure you guys grab it. So be sure to subscribe to my channel.